Hey there! In this video, we're going to go over how to deal with integration with partial fractions when there is long division involved. So basically, anytime you see your denominator being factorable and your numerator has a higher degree than your denominator does, then long division is the way to go. So without any further ado, we look at this and we think, how the heck am I supposed to integrate that? Well, we do the division that is told for us to do here. So it's basically saying, let's divide x squared plus x minus 12 divided into all of this. So that's x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 27. This could be a rather lengthy problem because we're going to do that, then we're going to have partial fractions. You'll see. So x squared into x cubed is x times x squared is x cubed, doing the long division. X times x is x squared. That's plus x squared. And x times negative 12 is negative 12x. And we're going to subtract all of that. And we'll get something down below here. The x cubes cancel. 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. Minus 10x minus x squared. Sorry, minus 10x minus a minus 12x is plus 2x. And minus 27 minus 0 is minus 27. So now we do it again. X squared goes into 2x squared plus 2 times. Nice. 2 times x squared. We actually need the remainder here, so we're going to keep going. It's 2x squared. 2 times x is 2x. Interesting. 2 times negative 12 is negative 24. We're going to subtract all of that out. And so now what we get is 0, 2x minus 2x, 0, minus 27, minus a minus 24, negative 3. Okay, so that's a remainder of negative 3, which means that all of this ends up becoming x plus 2 minus 3 all over. Now, I'm going to write this in factored form eventually, but we'll keep it in unfactored form, x squared plus x minus 12. So that's what this is equal to. We did the division, and that's much better to integrate. Now, we're going to split this into two separate integrals. The x plus 2 part we'll have to integrate. The 3 over x squared plus x minus 12 will integrate with partial fractions. So they're two separate things. So think of it like this. You've got the integral of x plus 2 dx. Minus 3 times the integral of 1 over, and I'm going to factor it here. Might as well set ourselves up nicely because it is factorable. You'll have x plus 4, x minus 3. Those are the factors that give us that denominator. And now we go and we do partial fractions separately. So all that long division was there to do was to get us to here so that we could use our partial fractions. So let's do that. So don't lose sight of the fact that there's this integral to take as well, but let's go and do work for this off on the side. Here we go. So I've got this that we're going to separate. So 1 over x plus 4 times x minus 3 is equal to some constant a over x plus 4 plus some constant b over x minus 3. All right, not bad. So now we're going to multiply both sides through by the x plus 4 times the x minus 3. I'm not going to show that work step by step this time because if you need that, look at the first lesson video for that. We ended with x minus 3 times a plus b times x plus 4. Again, look at that first lesson video if you need to see how I got from this step to that one. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to let x equal 3 because that'll cancel this out. And we'll get 1 equals 3 plus 4 is 7. Not bad. So b is equal to 1/7. Quite a manipulation. When x equals negative 4, that will cancel this out. And we'll be left with 1 equals a times minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Oh, so a is equal to minus 1/7. So what that means is we can take this and split it into minus 1/7 over x plus 4 and plus 1/7 over x minus 3. So we'll go ahead and integrate this. That's going to be x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 3 times, and what we have is the integral of negative 1/7 over x plus 4. And then that's also going to be plus 1/7 over x minus 3. A lot of copying. A lot of copying. Just keep everything nice and together and you'll be okay. All right, here we go. So we got that minus 3 factored out of there. Don't know why I put parentheses around that. Let's neaten that up. I don't love those parentheses. We'll put the minus 3 back here. And we've got a minus 3. Beautiful. Now the integral's not bad. So you'll have x squared over 2 plus 2x. This is going to be minus 1/7 times minus 3 or plus 3/7 ln of x plus 4 in the absolute value. That's there because it's 1 over x plus 4. Minus 3 times 1/7 will be minus 3/7 ln of the absolute value of x minus 3. So the integration's easy. And the integration's actually very straightforward. Dudes, the manipulation, that's what's hard. That's it. So I'm going to leave it at this one in this video. Again, anytime you have a higher degree power over lower degree power, long division might be a way to go. And when we notice the denominator, furthermore, is factorable, that's when we think, yeah, I got a long divide and it's going to be partial fractions. A nasty problem manipulation-wise, but it combines two things that you know how to do. Long division, partial fractions. The integral's not bad. See you in the next video. Peace.